Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to edit your WordPress website. I'm going to go ahead and log in to your dashboard. And I have your username and password stored on here, but you go ahead and enter your username and your password, click on login. Once you've logged in, this is what your WordPress dashboard will look like. On the left is the navigation for your dashboard. So to go ahead and edit a page, you want to go to Pages, click on All Pages. Click on Published. So we're going to do two things in the Pages section. I'm going to show you how to clone an actual page, and then I'm going to show you how to edit that page. So we're going to clone the About Us page, and let me show you what it looks like now. So this is what your About Us page looks like now. So we're going to go ahead and copy this page. So go back to Pages, click on Clone. And this is the page that has been cloned. So we can actually preview the page here. See, it looks exactly the same. So let's go ahead and edit some of this content. Maybe you don't want this entire section. Maybe you don't want these two paragraphs at the bottom, so let's take that out. So first we need to go ahead and save or clone the page. And just a note, whenever you clone a page, it automatically saves it as a draft. So we're going to call this About Us Clone. Okay, so this is what the back end of your page editor looks like with Visual Composer. So this section where you have banner is actually your mission statement over here. Where you have your text block, obviously would be this section over here. And Visual Composer allows you to create your content in rows and columns. Another row that you have is your Why Trust in the Facts area. And this would be under, of course, Why Trust in the Facts. So let's go ahead and edit the text block and delete those two paragraphs we didn't want. Put your mouse over whatever area you'd like to edit and then click on the pencil icon. And then it opens up your text editor. So you can edit whatever text you want in this section. So we're going to go ahead and delete those last two paragraphs we didn't want. So whenever you make a change in your text block, you want to make sure you click on Save Changes. One good thing about WordPress is that it allows you to preview the page before you publish it. So let's go ahead and click on Preview. So this is your About Us clone page, and as you can tell, the last two paragraphs have been deleted. So that's pretty easy to edit the text blocks in. Once you're satisfied with the preview, you can go ahead and click Publish to publish the page. You can also save the page as draft if you want to come back to it later and make some more changes, okay? So we're gonna edit the section under Why Trust in the Facts. So you have 3 columns: customer-centered, mission-driven, flexible services. So let's make a change to customer-centered, okay? So we're gonna put our mouse over the box we want to edit. Click on the pencil icon. You can change the image right here. So this is the image that you'll be changing. You can add or change the title, and you can edit your text again. So we're gonna go ahead and just add random text. So once we've made the change, click Save Changes, and let's go ahead and preview it again. And as you can see, the text that we've added is now visible. And if you want to keep this text, go ahead and hit Publish or Save Draft. So we're going to go back to All Pages. So once again, if you like the layout of any of your published pages, you can go ahead and just click Clone, and you can remove and add text and content however you want for your new page. So it's pretty easy to make changes in the back end, and of course with the Visual Composer plugin, it makes it super easy. So let's take a look in your theme options. So scroll over to Appearance, and then scroll down to Theme Options. So your theme options allows you to customize a couple elements on your site. So you have boxed layout, so if you want your website to be in a boxed layout, or if you want your website to be wide width, you can make the change here. You can add social sharing to blog posts, portfolio posts, products, and you can control that right here. You can change your blog settings here as well. You can change your header setting. If you want your header to be dark instead of light, you can make that change here. For your logo, you can upload a different logo here if you want to change it. Make sure whatever change that you make, you hit Save Changes. So you have your footer settings, the number of columns in your footer. You can also customize your contact page settings here as well. So real quickly, I'm going to show you how to find the text just in case you want to edit this particular page. So let's go to Pages. Published. Click on Business Solutions. So your text on this page is divided into tabs. So for criminal records, you just click on the text block and the edit icon here. And then you'll be able to edit the page. And this is the visual editor, and this is your text editor. Your text usually has a little bit amount of code depending on how that page is styled. I would suggest that you stay away from this area and only edit in your visual editor. Civil court records, same thing. Driving records, same thing. So this area is pretty easy to edit. Just remember that you can always preview your changes before you hit update. So update is for pages that you've already published and you're making changes to them and you just want to update the changes. We're going to go ahead and look at how you edit your widgets. So you go to Appearance and click on Widgets. And your widgets are usually elements that you find in your footer or in your sidebar. So these are your widgets. This is a text block. You have a Twitter feed and another text block. So say you want to come down here and edit your About Us section. You go to your widgets. Then you go to Footer Column 1, click on Text About Us, and you can edit your text here. So you can change the sentence, you can add another sentence, you can edit your time. And this has the Twitter widget. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, email me or call me. If there's something that you didn't quite understand, just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching.